Want to create a smooth zoom-in effect in Adobe Premiere Pro? Here's how. First, import your clip and place it on the timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for the transform effect. Drag the transform effect onto your clip. Now move to the Effect Controls panel. Under the transform effect, add keyframes for both scale and position at the starting point. Then move a few frames forward on the timeline and create another set of keyframes. Now increase the scale value to zoom into your subject. Adjust the position values to keep the focus exactly where you want. Uncheck Use Composition's shutter angle and increase the shutter angle to 180 for smoother motion blur. Premiere Pro will automatically animate the movement between the keyframes, creating a smooth zoom-in effect, and that's it. You've successfully created a clean zoom-in animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips and creative editing effects. And let me know in the comments which effect you'd like to learn next.